Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Deck YouTube channel. We see a lot of people are doing crypto mining, and many of them wanted to know how much it earns, like a particular miner, a particular model, how much it earns. So it's very simple, guys. Just you need to go to minerstat.com, scroll down at the bottom of the page. This website is it's with a lot of information, so you can see a lot of things here. Just go to mining hardware. Here you can see everything, every miner, all the ASIC miners and GPU miners, everything. You can just scroll down, anything you want to check GPU, you can just check it, anything, whatever it is. If it is Vega 64, just click on that and it shows this. The beauty of this website is it shows everything. It's not about the particular pool, it shows every pool. It calculates even the cost of the electricity and information about the miner, and what is the capacity of the miner, how many mega hash or tera hash, and what is the electricity consumption, how many watts it is off, everything. So you just see here, just scroll down. If it is your Silicon T2T 26 terahash, just click on that. Yep, it takes you. Look at this, how much this is giving, every pool, all the information. You can just know which pool is giving you the better rate, so you can accordingly join the pool to make more money. For an example, look at this. If you have this miner, Silicon T2T, see, this is the least rate, 0.40, 0.41, and the best rate. The maximum is 11.32 USD. All the information, ROI calculator, mining calculators, just wow. You have to just input the data. Fantastic job here. And see how many 205 algorithms. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's Blake. Hope this will be useful for you. Goodbye. Take care. We'll come back with another video. Till the time, goodbye. Take care.